If the infotainment system's ever giving you a problem, so Apple CarPlay's not working, Android Auto's not working, maps aren't working, or there's some sort of other problem, you can do the full factory reset that I was showing you. But the downside of doing a full factory reset is that it gets rid of everything. So it wipes the screen and it brings it out to the default screen. But you can also do a soft screen reset. In order to do it, you've got your home button along the very top of the screen. You're just going to take that button and push and hold for a few seconds until you run into another screen. It'll pop up. There we go. So you can cancel, reboot, or start in safe mode. If you've downloaded additional apps, and that could be the issue, start in safe mode and it'll disable any apps that you've installed. But if you just tap reboot, what we've done is entered a soft reboot cycle. So that should get rid of the majority of issues that you're facing. It's similar to doing a reset on your phone. So if there's something wrong with the infotainment system, you want to try the soft reboot that we just tried there first. If that doesn't fix it, go for the full factory reset. And if that doesn't work, then you're going to have to bring it into your Acura dealer to have a look. But the soft screen reboot should fix the majority of problems that you're facing.